It's like the DNA of the equipment is born with, the technical specs of the equipment is embedded into the digital twin, and for the life cycle of the equipment, while the equipment continues to work in the field, its digital twin continues to carry and updates information about the well-being of that equipment, if I can use that term, and continues to create a connection between the OEM and the equipment owner to make sure that nothing is missed.
It's a huge pleasure to be here for a very historic inauguration of the Vegazva Aftermarket product.
I believe this is a very unique use of the digital twin concept.
I think it's a very interesting concept. It fuses the technology and the core engineering part.
This has a potential to have a global platform to integrate OEMs and the suppliers all over the world.
Everything in the aftermarket platform begins with a digital twin. With a single click, the user is able to identify the correct part and place an order.
It helps in management of the life cycle of the product. You have so many critical heavy rotating machinery in plants, so you can monitor their health, kind of predict when the different kind of maintenance are required.
A very digital platform where the customer know what they want and OEM understands the customer requirement. As I said, it's a win-win situation.
We can connect OEM with their customer in a very online and real-time basis. They can leverage whatever technology we have provided for their business benefit. I'm really excited for the day because today, once we launch this and people start using it, it's a game changer.